Hey MB crew, turn on your post notifications, subscribe to my Mona B Uncut channel at the top of the description box, and follow me on Instagram at MonaXBanks. So today I'm back with something new. There's something new that is out, and CurlsCurls is bringing it to us. You guys know I've worked with CurlsCurls in the past, but CurlsCurls, you know, is a company that specializes in natural textured hair for, you know, natural hair women. So they are bringing to us the Afro Kinky Seamless clip-ins, you guys. So I have in the thick clip-ins. They come with 10 clip-ins, which is good for a full head. You can do multiple styles, as you guys will see in this video. I don't want to keep you guys too long, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys the clip-ins because I don't have them all in my head right now, but I did. But as you guys can see, they are seamless. If you do not know, if you've never seen clip-ins before, normally clip-ins you see the track, but they have created them seamless, you guys, and it's super thin and flat, which I love. It's not thick, and it's a lot easier to move than the traditional ones. Now, don't get me wrong, I still like the traditional clip-ins. I mean, I've used them time and time again, so y'all know I still like them. But I mean, they done came out with something new. So, y'all see how, like, they bend really easy. They're a lot more flexible. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but they're just a lot more flexible, and I love that. Like, wow, they're super, super sleek and flat. I mean, really flat, you guys. However they created this, they created it really, really flat, and I really, really like this. Like, I love the seamlessness. Like, okay, popping. Like, you ain't got to worry about the thickness of the track, because you guys know how the track sometimes can be like really, really thick, and it's sometimes hard to cover depending on how long your hair is. But I feel like if your hair is short, these are definitely going to work really, really good for you. So shout out to CurlsCurls who's coming through with them seamless clip-ins. Like, they lay so flat on your head. You guys will see as the videos progress. But I don't want to talk too much because I want to jump into the video. Everything about the clip-ins and everything is linked in the description box below. So make sure you guys check there. Use my code. Period. Use my code. But let's go ahead and get into the styling portion of this video.
Alright, you guys, so this is how your clip-ins will come packaged. They also include a pamphlet. So these are the clip-ins straight out of the packaging. Really nice quality. I love CurlsCurls clip-ins. These are the seamless clip-ins, and these are in the Afro Kinky texture. This is what it looks like after I washed it. I just co-washed them with some swab conditioner. I sprayed this leave-in conditioner on, and that is it, you guys. So I have braids going down to the back into a little ponytail. So I'm going to start with one clip-in that has 3 clips on it, and I'm going to put that at the bottom of my head. Well, not at the very bottom, but that's where I'm basically going to place it. And you guys, these seamless clip-ins lay so flat. Oh my goodness, you guys see that? Like, it is laying so flat across my braids. Excuse them because they're not perfect, but it don't matter because you're not going to see them anyways. So I'm going to go in with another clip-in that has 3 clips on it, and then I'm going to go in with another one that has 4 clips on it. So depending on how big or small your head is, you kind of just have to fit the clip-ins in where you can get them. Like I always tell you guys, clip-ins are a puzzle, so just fit them where you can get them, girl. But they are laying so flat, you guys. To get to the top of the braids, I start adding like the longer clip-in. So I put one that had 4 clips on it, and I believe this one has 5 clips on it. So I'm just gonna put that up there, and you might have to just adjust it a little bit to get it to fit how you would like. But once you get them in, you guys, they fit really nicely. They're comfortable. And then I just added a clip-in that had 2 clips right up at the top, or I believe that had 3, excuse me. So I'm just going to part out my hair out the front so that we can go ahead and cover the clip-ins, you know, the seamlessness, which was really, really easy to cover, you guys. So I'm just spraying my real hair down with some water. Look at that water. It's not even barely no water in there. I'm wrong for that. But no, I'm spraying my hair, and I'm just like, you know, massaging the water in, and I'm going to add some Eco Styler gel to go ahead and blend my hair in with the clip-ins. My hair was really, really easy to blend with the clip-ins, you guys. It didn't take much. And then I'm going to go in with another clip-in that has 5 clips on it, and I'm going to add that at the top. I'm going to part off some more of my hair because we need to cover that last clip-in that we put there. So I'm literally going to do the same thing that I did before. Spray my hair down with some water. What am I saying, you guys? Spray my hair down with some water, and then I'm going to add the Eco Styler gel. and you're basically doing a wash and go, but it blends really well. So I'm just making sure I'm getting it together, because you want to make sure your clip-ins are blended. But CurlsCurls, they got the good clip-ins, I'm telling you, and it's really easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a clip-in that has 2 clips right there, and then I'm going to add another one on the other side. So for this particular style, I did use all of the clip-ins, you guys, so you can see you can get a full head, you know, with the 10 clip-ins, because they're thick. So I'm just going ahead and blending my hair into the clip-ins like you guys just seen me do on the previous clips. I'm going to brush my hairline back a bit, make sure I get everything situated. I decided to go ahead and add another clip-in, so this was the last one. So I did add all of them in. So next I'm going to take some even edge control, and I'm just going to go ahead and lay down my edges, baby hairs, whatever you would like to call them. But I'm going to go ahead and swoop mine around, lay them down, get them right and tight, and then make sure my hair is blending really well, which it is. I'm going to take my scarf and leave that on for about 10 minutes to kind of lay everything down into place, and then I'm just kind of fluffing out the hair some more because I wanted it to have a little bit more body. And that's a way that you can do that, you guys. And also, if you need to move the hair around, spray a little water, and that will move it around so you can adjust it to the shape that you would like. I decided to do mine going straight back, but you could do a part. But this is how it looks, you guys. Super full. These are in 16 inches, and this is the Afro Kinky texture. I really love it. I decided to put on a headband because y'all know that's trending right now, and it definitely looked really cute with the headband, so I love it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and move on to the next style. I did take some of the clip-ins out that were at the top, because basically I'm just going to part my hair going back, my real hair, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do a flat twisty going all the way across my hairline to do something different, switch it up. And I'm just going to take a bobby pin and blend that into place. A more up close look of this style. Really cute, looks really natural, love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and gather my real hair, and I'm just gonna brush it up into a high bun. I did add a little bit of Eco Styler gel onto my hair, you guys, just a little bit, not too much, because we don't have all day for our hair to be drying, so we're trying to do this style quick. Okay, these are quick styles. So I'm just gonna brush my hair and then gather it up into a bun. Yeah, I know I had to test out these seamless clip-ins with the ponytail, so that's exactly what we're going to do. So I'm going to clip the end on the base of my hair around the bun, my real bun, and then I'm just going to clip it to secure it on the end. So I'm not using the clips that are in the middle. For those clip-ins have 4 clips on them, and then I'm just adding the ones that have like 3 clips on them, but you can add however many you would like. It's up to you depending on the thickness of how thick or thin you want your ponytail. But I did add about 4 or 5 clip-ins, so I'm just adding them on like so around each other, and they fit really nice around each other, you guys, not bulky. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the ponytail with a little bit of water to get it to shape how I would like it. I'm going to take some of the hair and wrap it around the base so that the seamless clip-ins aren't showing. But you guys, this ponytail was really flat, and I really liked it around the base, like it wasn't bulky. So this is just how it looks up close. Really cute, really sleek. I love it, and this is it from all angles. So y'all already know I gotta spice it up and go ahead and do a bun. So I'm just gonna swirl it around like a donut, the clip-ins, and then I'm just gonna pin them into place. You know, the ends, pin them into place. So I'm going to take 2 of the clip-ins that have 2 clips on it, the longer ones that have 2 clips on it, and I'm going to put it right up under the bun because we're going to create a cute little side bang. So I'm going to apply the other one right on top of it, you guys, and it fit really nicely and secure. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fluff out the bun a little bit, you know, pin it, make sure the tracks aren't showing or anything. And then I'm just gonna work on that bang, and it turned out really, really cute. So you got a cute bang and bun. Make sure you guys check out CurlsCurls. Everything about them will be in the description box below, so check there. The clip-ins that I am rocking will also be in the description box below as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.